Hey everybody, this is my piece from video 838 where I did the red instead of white at the end and it turned out amazing. And I told the story of my resin piece that stuck to the lid and I had to sand it down. It had about an inch thick resin spots where it stuck. Well, I sanded it down and put a third coat of resin on and it's perfect. So you may be intimidated by resin, but just know that it is very forgiving. Um, you should have seen it after the lid stuck to it. It had two huge lumps on it, and I just sanded it down with my power sander, and then washed it again and re-resined it, and you would never know that anything had ever happened to it. So don't be afraid of resin. Today I'm doing a plastic wrap pour with shades of blue, and then I've got Soho Dioxazine Purple. The others are Teza Pearl Sapphire Blue, Grumbacher Prussian Blue, and then this color, which doesn't have a name. I'm not sure if it's self-mixed. I'm not quite sure what it is. And then the Phthalo Blue is what I'm going to use at the end instead of white. But I want to make it a light blue. So I'm going to pour some in here. And then I'm pouring a little bit of iridescent medium in it. This stuff right here, Liquitex Iridescent Medium. I love this stuff. And then some of my white house paint. And stir this bad boy up. Oh, I forgot to add spot-on treadmill silicone. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, approximately. Kind of dribbled out there. Alrighty, so I will set that aside. Pretty color. And pour my white paint on this 10 by 10 inch wood panel. I just ordered more panels from Blick. They have really nice ones. I ordered 1.5 inch thick ones because I like the thicker side. They have 2.5 inch thick, but that's way too thick for this. I don't like how far it stands out from the wall. I should have wiped my gloves clean. I've got getting blue on here. You won't see this for a few days, but it is Friday. And I am getting my second vaccine today through my work. And we're all getting it today, so I have a feeling by the end of the day there's going to be a lot of crabby, not feeling very well people. Hopefully I'm not sick all weekend with it. That would be a bummer. Oh, let me grab my torch. When I was resining, I put it on the other side of my studio. just lots of dots. I'm actually just going to use the same dropper for the other blue. My finger is killing under the glove. When I took the resin, the tape off the back of that resin piece I showed you, I cut myself. Because I was using a razor to scrape some of it. And I cut myself. This is the dioxazine purple. This is the like periwinkle blue violet. I'm not quite sure what it is. And now for the one with silicone. I managed to use the same pipette for all my colors. Now I've got my plastic wrap, which, as plastic wrap does, gets all stuck to itself. Blow it out. And torch. I see just little spots of white that need to be touched up. Mainly the edges. And we are done. Check out the side. Now we're done. It's so pretty. Love the colors. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.